by combining the efforts of government and civil society. We have given the highest priority to reach benefits to poor households. We have announced a package of more than $300 billion. It will bring the economy back on track, build modern infrastructure, and put in place a technology-driven system. We have put forward a vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant and resilient India integrated with the global economy. Excellencies, India firmly believes that the path to achieve sustainable peace and prosperity is through multilateralism. As children of planet Earth, we must join hands to address our common challenges and achieve our common goals. However, multilateralism needs to represent the reality of the contemporary world. Only reform multilateralism with a reform United Nations as its center can meet the aspirations of humanity. Today, while celebrating 75th years of the United Nations, let us pledge to reform the global multilateral system to enhance its relevance, to improve its effectiveness, and to make it the basis of a new type of human-centric globalization. The United Nations was originally born for the furies of the Second World War. Today, the fury of pandemic provides the context for its rebirth and reform. Let us not lose this chance. Excellencies, India has been elected to the United Nations Security Council at this very important time. Our deep commitment to maintaining global harmony, to improving social economic equity, and to preserving nature's balance, India will play its role in full support of the UN agenda. Namaskar. Thank you very much. Thanks.
संयुक्त राष्ट्र में बोलते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि भारत एक कामयाब देश के तौर पर आगे बढ़ रहा है और भारत की कामयाबी के साथ ही विश्व की कामयाबी भी जुड़ी हुई है। कोरोना से लेकर तमाम आपदाओं से निपटने के लिए हिंदुस्तान ने किस तरह से कोरोना के खिलाफ भी एक जन आंदोलन की शुरुआत की। हमने गरीबों के लिए, हमने महिलाओं के लिए क्या कुछ किया है, इस सब को विस्तार से बताते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, हिंदुस्तान की कामयाबी की कहानी जिसमें शामिल है विश्व की भी कामयाबी का फसाना, ये सब कुछ बताते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी।